10 reasons why consistency is important. Life is largely governed by principles, not miracles, and certainly not feelings. Miracles are divine, supernatural acts that God grants to us daily. Now, when God grants you the miracle of being alive and well, your act of appreciation is to consistently work on the purpose for your creation. Basing your entire life on miracles is asking God to do things that He has given you the ability to do. The miracles will come when you consistently work on the things your hands find to do, not when you are lazy. Number one, consistency is the foundation for long-term achievements. Your dreams will remain dreams if you are not willing to be consistent over a long period. Consistency is a necessary ingredient in achieving long-term goals. As I often say, it's good to dream, but you must wake up to actualize them. Number two, consistency enables you to develop new habits. Trying to form a new habit can be difficult because you are used to certain habits already. Your body and mind feel comfortable in those default habits. So when you try to create a new habit that is different from what you are used to do, your mind and body will rebel. However, when you do something consistently over time, you will notice that the new habit will gradually replace the old one and it becomes a routine. Number three, consistency helps you build momentum. When the aeroplane is about to take off, it has to go down the runway for a few kilometers before flying. This operation helps the plane to accelerate long enough to gain the speed required for it to lift into the air. That's the same with consistency. It allows you to build the momentum you need to accomplish your goals. Without consistency, you will keep running around with little or no results. Number four, consistency helps you become disciplined and develop self-control. One way to become disciplined is to consistently do a thing over a long time. Actually, consistency and discipline work hand in hand. You cannot train yourself to do things in a controlled manner if you don't do it repeatedly. And you cannot be consistent if you are not disciplined. Number five, consistency builds self-confidence. When you consistently work on your goal, you acquire the elements that generate confidence in yourself and your abilities. And confidence is important in being successful. Doing something well consistently will help inspire self-confidence. Number six, consistency helps you differentiate what is important from what is not. When you are not consistent with the pursuit of your goals, everything goes. After all, you don't have goals, no schedules, no focus, and you are not bothered about tracking your progress. But once you become consistent, you will understand the value of time and the importance of planning. So all that is necessary towards getting your goals accomplished will naturally take their rightful place on your priority list. Number seven, consistency sustains accomplishments. Your results stop where your consistency stops, or rather, you will begin to diminish the moment you cease being consistent. So, to consolidate the gains you have made and progress to greater heights, you need to remain consistent. Number eight, consistency attracts admiration. You may not really be in a quest for man's applause, but it's inevitable to attract admiration when you are consistent. People love those who consistently work on their goals no matter how little the efforts may seem. Consistency inspires those around you. As a leader or even as an individual with no leadership role, your consistency indirectly rubs off well on those around you. When you consistently work on your goals, the people around you are inspired to be consistent in working on their craft as well. Consistency begets consistency. Number 10. Consistency opens doors to opportunities. You can be highly talented, but if you are not consistent, no one will call you when new opportunities show up. People love to invest in talents that are consistent over time because that's a guarantee for a return on their investments. Also, even if you are not so talented, but you consistently work on the little you possess, God and people will reward your efforts with opportunities. Remember, small daily improvements are the key to staggering long-term results.